So today we're at Colonial Heights with City Choice Homes in Katy, Texas. We're checking out the 1902 floor plan. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex O with Realty. I'm your go-to Houston realtor and new construction specialist. Now, what we do on this channel is we tour new construction homes and floor plans for you guys to see. And we also talk about builder incentives, upgrades, and more. So before we jump into this stunning home tour, if you're looking for a new construction home in Houston and surrounding area, and you want access to builder incentives, upgrades, and expert guidance at no cost to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and text me directly using the number in the description. I help buyers like you every single day get perfect access to these properties, and we find the perfect new build for you guys and save thousands in the process. So today is June 7th. We are in Colonial Heights in Katy, Texas. We are right next to Katy Asian Town, literally less than 5 minutes away, and we're right next to Costco and H-E-B as well. So right now, City Choice Homes is offering floor plans anywhere from 1513 square feet all the way to 1931 square feet. Now, those homes are going to be priced anywhere from $329 all the way to $339, and that's of June 7th right now. Now, currently the HOA is about $1,200 annually. That covers the front lawn maintenance, gate maintenance, and they might be building a pickleball court here as well. Tax rate is only 2.61, and if you get homestead, you can drop that down to about a 2.3%. So today we're touring the 1902 floor plan. That's a 3-bed, 3.5 bath, 1902 square feet, 2-car garage model home. Right now, the current incentives for this builder, City Choice Homes, is they're offering fridge, washer, dryer, appliances, and blinds. Now we're gonna start this home tour. If you like this home tour, or if you're interested in any of the other floor plans, again, reach out to me. Feel free to text me, hit me up, DM me. I'm here to guide you all the way. Now let's get started on this home tour. All right, Colonial Heights, here we are, Katy, Texas. We are touring this beautiful floor plan by City Choice Homes. As you can see, they've sold quite a few homes already. They have about 85 lots that they're gonna build on. There could be about 250, just really depends if they plan on expanding or not, but as of right now, they're around 85. Alrighty, so we are now inside the home. I'm gonna take you guys to take a look at the living room and kitchen right here. Now this model floor plan is 1902 square feet. So this is perfect if you're just starting out as a first-time home buyer. Maybe you don't have kids. I'd say this is perfect for you, young professionals. Alrighty, here is the pantry. Decent size for a 1902 square feet home. Now this home is 2 stories. Kitchen is decked out with quartz countertops, lovely cabinets. You can see on the ceilings right here have that little accent ceiling, which is very nice, gives it a little bit more personality. Now right here, I'm just going to zoom in on the floors. Those are engineered Swiss flooring throughout the first floor. All right, and again, quartz countertops. City Choice is going to be giving you a fridge, washer, and dryer, and blinds. So that is included in the purchase of your home. Tile backsplash, gray accents, white cabinets, have a little space up there above the cabinets. You have a 5-burner gas cooktop. Alrighty, and right up here, microwave and vent space, as you can see. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the home right here. You have a undermount sink, dishwasher as usual included, undermount sink right here, double side, stainless steel, lovely. I love it when it looks new. Here is the fridge. Now this is a Samsung fridge right here. Let's open up the freezer. Oops, wrong side. There we go. Alrighty. That's the fridge for you. Alright, here's the living room. Again, this is a very open floor plan right here. I'm going to back up so you can take a look at that kitchen. Now, again guys, this builder is starting in the 300s. Low 300s. Okay, so this is perfect for first-time home buyers or investors. All right. It's your private backyard. Fences are nice and high. Love it when they look like a light wood, brand new. All right, let's take a look at the rest of the home. Gonna walk down this hallway. So we've got a lot of natural light coming in here. Let's open up the garage. All right, 2-car garage. Decent space. A little bit of back space right there. And down this hall right here, you have some extra storage just right below the stairs. Some call this the Harry Potter room. So extra storage for you right there. And here is the half bath. Alrighty. Super simple. Let's take a look upstairs. Now notice the nice railing right here. Now we've got 3 bedrooms upstairs and 3 full bathrooms. Each room has its own bathroom. Now right next to the primary, we have the washer and dryer. And again, washer and dryer are going to be included in the purchase of your home. All right, a little dark here, but that's okay. Take a look at the primary. And again, you have that accent ceiling right up there, fan included. Carpet is nice and plush, feels like you're stepping on clouds. A lot of natural light coming in. Okay. Now let's take a look at the primary bath. So we've got tile throughout the whole bathroom. Very nice modern dark gray accent. Love that they put the tile all the way up to the ceiling for the shower. Get a close-up right here of that tile. All right. Let's take a look at this bathtub. Now, not everybody needs a bathtub, but it's there in case you want it. Dual vanity right here. Love that dark wood that they have. Matches really, really well with the dark gray countertop. Nice size walk-in shower. Let's open this up. Look from bottom to top. Alrighty, lovely. Now on my left here we have the toilet. Alright, super simple. To my right, linen closet. Alright, and then the primary walk-in closet right here, guys. So I'm just gonna step inside right here. Have a lot of space for you to hang clothes. I'm gonna back up right here so you can see the size of the closet. Now we'll go to the other side. A lot of shelving. All right. Very nice. Let's step out. One last look. All right. Let's take a look at the other 2 bedrooms here. Now guys, if you are in the market right now and you need an agent to negotiate in the purchase of your home and get you guys the best deal possible, reach out to me. Now, when it comes to new construction, whenever you meet those sales agents, they seem very nice, but they're looking out for the builder's best interest. They're not looking out for your best interest. So always have an agent to come with you to see and visit these new construction communities. You're going to need somebody to negotiate for you and read the fine print when it comes to contracts as well. So here's a secondary bathroom, secondary bedroom, very nice. A lot of light coming in. That's what we love. And take a peek at that nice walk-in closet. Alrighty. So again guys, I'm a new construction specialist. I sell almost nothing but new construction. If you guys need to talk to somebody, I'm your go-to guy. My phone number is going to be in the description below. Alrighty, last bedroom. So that's it for today's video. If you're even thinking about buying a new home in Houston or the surrounding areas, now is the time. Builders are more motivated than ever, and I can help you maximize these incentives and negotiate on your behalf. If you enjoyed the video and you want to keep up with new construction in Houston, make sure to click that subscribe and like button for more weekly home tours. And if you want a private showing, or if you want to see if this builder fits your needs, text or call me today. My info is right here on the screen and in the description below. One last thing, drop a comment if there's a neighborhood or builder you want me to tour next. I'm excited to see what you guys are interested in, and I would love to provide more info for you guys to see. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video.